told about this minutes ago by some students that were coming here. I was in the White House in the cafe, and we had got together to have a wee walkabout and a cycle about a different campaign. We managed to get 2 councillors, 1 Scottish member of Parliament, and like for a quick while the Westminster member of Parliament, and I'm involved in things locally to here, sort of, so that other things that are going on that are hideous, and I don't know about this, and I feel that there's a real need for us to even like use a hub, like I don't know if the Borough Halls is appropriate, or like the White House, that you know, and that things are more campaigned and brought together, because what we're going to do is have a year of action towards the climate change. We want to start today when it was meant to be, and there's a lot of people that are very active, wanting the best for this area and not knowing about this, and I just think that there should be, you know, I wouldn't have known about it apart from being in the cafe, and there needs to be some way that we come together, or that people put loads of information and have put their names down in the cafe. They'd be happy for us to do that. That we start collecting more and come together as a collective, that it's not just about housing, it's sort of like it's not just the council there's what they're doing, because to get rid of things and use things is that they're creating other organisations that it then goes through, that we get to hear nothing about it. So we need to come together as a community and sort of not be separate.
I quite agree, madam. I quite
so
agree.
how do we do that?
Well, I think it starts with you being here and reaching out to us, and we can begin that dialogue. Unfortunately, your experience of just finding out about this, it's the same for all of us.
Yeah.
Right.
We only found out in the past few weeks.
Right.
Obviously, we would have raised hell about this before if we'd heard, but the council are trying to sell this land off in the midst of a pandemic. None of us have our troubles to seek right now.